Oh man. Look at the oh, on the ground. It's on the ground above the trees. See the debris?
Where?
To the left, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Tornado. Oh man. Oh man. Tornado. Oh baby. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the motion.
We okay here?
Yeah, we're fine. It's gonna cross this road, but we'll be all right. Tell me if we're about to get in a wreck. Big multiple vortex tornado.
Go north?
South, no, just keep going on this road. Don't go north.
I'm at south on the road there.
Just keep going this way. You're good.
That's that WGM. That,
Hit your back window deal. That's all right. Go ahead and take a south road if you see it. All right, you're good.
I'm good now.
Oh yeah, look at the vortex over there. Oh man, oh. Yeah, you're good. You can pull off wherever, Dad.
Okay, you sure?
Yes.
Hang on, let me get up on top of